actually looking at the camera.
It's recording.
Oh. Digestion is the mechanical and chemical breakdown of foods into forms that cell membranes can absorb. Start over.
Mechanical digestion breaks large pieces into smaller ones without altering their chemical composition. Stop laughing!
I can't help it. Okay, no fun. I'll video you. Action.
Chemical digestion breaks food into simpler chemicals. The organs of the digestive system carry out ingestion, propulsion, absorption, and defecation.
Woo!
Go.
The mechanical breakdown of food begins in the mouth.
Go.
The mouth consists of cheeks, lips, tongue, palate, and teeth.
The salivary glands secretes salivary amylase that begins the breakdown of starch into glucose, which and helps bind food particles. Go.
The extrinsic salivary glands include the paraparatoid, submandibular, and sublingual glands. Physical digestion of carbohydrates and sugars.
The mouth also secretes lingual lipase.
Who's in the photo booth?
The pharynx connects the nasal and the oral cavity with the larynx and the esophagus.
Zoom in on that
Damn, he saw.
Ready?
Yeah.
The esophagus is a straight collapsible tube about 25 centimeters long. It provides a passageway for food using a muscular wall. It descends through the thorax, posterior to the trachea, passing through the mediastinum.
The only secretion of the esophagus is mucus. The stomach receives food from the esophagus and mixes it with the gastric juice. Epithelial cells line the inner surface of the stomach and secretes about 2 liters of gastric juices per day.
The stomach has the capacity of 1 liter or more, and its inner lining is marked with thick folds called rugae.
The absorption of protein starts in the stomach.
Pancreas produces and secretes pancreatic juice containing digestive enzymes which help in the further breakdown of the carbohydrates, protein, and fat in chyme. I meant chyme.
What was that?
Chyme.
Dang.
The secretions of the pancreas are
Protease,
amylase,
lipase,
insulin,
glucagon,
bicarbonate ion,
carboxypeptides,
chymotrypsin,
deoxyribonuclease,
elastase,
ribonuclease.
trusted.
The liver is the largest internal organ, which is particularly surrounded by the ribs. It is a reddish-brown color and secretes bile while visceral fat.
When stimulated by secreting bile duct cells, secrete a bicarbonate solution that is identical to pancreatic bicarbonate.
The gallbladder is a pear-shaped sac located in the depression of the inferior surface of the liver.
Food moves into the small intestine where enzymes from all over the digestive tract help further the digestion.
The small intestine is a tubular organ that extends from the pyloric sphincter to the beginning of the large intestine.
It mixes food with bile and pancreatic juice and is the main site of nutrient absorption.
Carbohydrates are broken down.
Fail.
I know, we just don't know. Carbohydrates are broken down into sugar molecules, which are absorbed through small intestinal walls and through the bloodstream.
I think we're going to have to do that one again. Let's try again.
Carbohydrates are what
A normal accent. Go. Just say it. Don't speak
Stop.
country. No, it's recording still. Go. Go.
Okay, carbohydrates are broken down into sugar molecules, which are absorbed through small intestinal walls and into the bloodstream.
Thank God.
In the small intestine is the beginning of the digestion of lipids. It takes 10 to 15 minutes and is absorbed by the epithelial cells and then are ready to enter the bloodstream. Also in the small intestine, it finishes the absorption of starches, proteins, and sugars.
Go.
The small intestines secrete sucrose, maltase, lactase, secretin, cholecystokinin, gastric inhibitory peptide, and aminopeptidase.
Dipeptidase, enterochysase, nucleodisase, phosphate, sucrose, and ditracinase.
The large intestine absorbs ingested water and electrolytes remaining in the alimentary canal. It reabsorbs and recycles water and remnants of digestive secretions, and also forms and stores feces. Alkaline mucus containing bicarbonate and potassium ions is secreted by the large intestine for protection from bacteria.
The rectum regulates elimination of feces. Then it passes through the anus and into the wild.